Good morning, student. This is Hansa, your maths teacher, and today we will start the linear equation in two variable, chapter 3 of class 10th. In previous class, we find the value of x and y graphically, but here we will find the value of x and y algebraically, mean without using any graph. Yes, will you try to solve with me? And now there are three methods to find out the value of x and y. First is by substitution method, second is elimination method, and third is cross multiplication method. And here is the substitution method. Substitution means one will replace, then we have to substitute other. For example, in a cricket team, if one player has to be replaced and we have to substitute the other place in place of that player, and there will be no effect. And second method is elimination method. You know very well in reality show elimination round. If there is a competition between two, then we have to eliminate one of them. Here is similarly, here are two variables. It means we have to eliminate one variable, either x or y, and we will discuss how we have to eliminate later on. And the third is by cross multiplication. We have to cross multiply. Just we have done, this will be a, b, c and d. We have to cross multiply. This is the cross multiplication. I think you know it very well. There are three methods by which we can find out the value of x and y algebraically: substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. But today we will solve first by substitution method. Here is this first part, we will solve it by substitution method. And I am taking one equation, one example. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 1. Find the value of y and x by substitution method. Listen carefully. First we labeled it equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. First step. Step 1. Either from equation 1 or equation 2, express y in terms of x or x in terms of y. First equation or second equation. Either you can solve first equation or second equation. Mean if we will take first equation, then we have to express y in terms of x or x in terms of y. Is it clear? Means express, I am writing in short form, express y in terms of x or x in terms of y. Y in terms of x or x in terms of y, either equation 1 or equation 2. Of equation 1 or 2, either equation 1 or 2. I am taking first equation, this one. Is it clear? First step. And now, what is the first step? 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. I have to express y in terms of x or x in terms of y. Here y express, I told you express y in terms of x or x in terms of y or x in terms of y. Or is it clear? I am expressing this one. I am expressing this one. Express y in terms of x. When we have express y in terms of the variable which is before of in terms of, we have to write on left side. We have to write y on left side. We have to write on left side, means 3y is equal to, here will be transfer 5 minus 2x, and the value of y, this y multiplied by 3, and this 3 will divided, y is equal to 5 minus 2x upon में 3. This value of y, this value of, after that we have to put this value, we have to put from equation second, because we express y in terms of x from equation first and then put in second. If we will put the same value of y in equation first, then LHS will be equal to RHS. Then we will put value of y in equation second, not in first. And the equation second is, what is the equation second? 3x minus 2y is equal to 1. And this will be same, 3x minus 2. What is y? What is y? To bracket y. What is y? Here is 5 minus 2x upon 3. 5 minus 2x upon 3 equal to 1. And now this 2 will multiply to 5, this 2 will multiply 2x, and we have to take LCM first. And this, what is LCM? 3 and 1, LCM is 3. This 3 divided by 1 equal to 3. 3 go 3 say 9x. Is it clear? And after that, minus, this will be same, 5 minus 2x equal to 1. And then what we will do? Bracket open. Here is what is minus. If there will be a minus sign before bracket, then what we will do? Change the sign inside the bracket. What we will do? Change the sign inside the bracket. So what we will do now? Now tell me. Here is 9x minus 2 5s are 10, minus, this will be plus, this minus, and this minus plus, and 2x multiply to 4x upon 3 equal to 1. And now which one is like term? We can add or subtract the like term. Which one is like term? 9x and 4x are the like term. It means we can add to each other. Here is 9x and 4x are the like term. It means we can add to each other. 9x plus 4x which will equal to 30x. 13x minus 10 upon 3 is equal to 1. And here is 1. Now after this, cross multiply. We have to do cross multiply. This will multiply to this one, and this will multiply to this one. Multiply to 13x minus 10 equal to 3 multiplied to 1, 3. And we have to find out which one? X. And the value of x we have to find by transferring the 10 toward the right. If we transfer the variable or constant from left to right or right to left, then what we will do? We have to change the sign. Minus will change into plus and plus change into minus. Here is minus, so 13x is equal to 3 plus 10. 3 plus 10 is 13. 13x is equal to 13. X equal to, here is multiply, 13 upon 13. They will cut. X is equal to 1. This is the value of x. And again, now here we have to find out the value of y also. What should we do now? And this value of x we have to put where in equation? This is third. Is it clear? Then put x equal to 1 in equation. Which one? Third equation. What is the third equation? Y in terms of x. It means y is equal to 5 minus 2x upon में 3. Y is equal to 5 minus 2. What is x? 1 upon में 3. And then what I have to write? Y is equal to, here is, and then y is equal to 5 minus 2 1 जा 2 upon में 3. Y is equal to 5 minus 2 3 upon में 3. This will cut. X, therefore x equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Value of x is 1, value of y is 1. In this way we can find out the value of x or value of y by substitution method. Is it clear? And I am giving you one question and you have to do it fast. X plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 1. Solve it. And I am giving you 2 minutes. Do it fast.